Kempeni ya womra shebeje fie mi chere speaker ya Aban Babin no nei o say Anti-LBGTQ+ bill no just yesan eye no fufuro biemu just almost de ba biemu fi say 8th parliament ni mu de no na wombobo ho na fufuro 4 kra na aba 9th one ni mu nti no also almost de eba biemu no ondwe ho kase no etwaso
Senti Achiamehino Omra Shibijafie Alban Kensford Sumana Babwin, Eddie Tuja, say what say anti-LGBTQI Emra, Yananka, Emrebi, Mashibijafoji Tuman or requires some penny and another Kufu and then Sabesha Sia, Antimia Memuno Sanko Faba and say, a quiet chuma minchum Rashibijafie, Wabra, Adom Kasee no Eddie Tuja say, Omudi or Gidipa. Say Emrashibijano Eddie Kain Aja to Muda than the senti when Woody Intia was so sign Eddie Babidi Hunkumobium. Neno and Achiamehine Echra, and Yan Quine Swano, Esan say, Emrashibija tosso watria, or the ban a wee yano bibiana el cosso el Mrashibijano emubiano, a baby a bra, Ugus Amrashibijana was signed chere, the tosso and cono, and Wechi or signed chere must say.
Members bill. And so members of this house took it up. We've gone through the whole process as detailed out in our standing orders. But as it went through the process, the new government indicated that they wanted to take it as a public bill. I personally disagreed. I made it known to His Excellency the President that this is an initiative of our people in the House. That was not done. And so when it was put on the order paper, I queried it because you haven't heard from me according to the standing order. So that will be done before it's laid before the House. But because a lot of work has already been done, we think that it's going to have smooth process in the House because both sides of the House now support it, and His Excellency the President has given indication that he's ready and willing at any time that is passed by the House to assent to it.